Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics of Class 11. Begin by building a strong foundation in core economic principles. Focus on understanding concepts like scarcity, opportunity cost, and the basic economic problems. Then, delve into microeconomics, mastering demand and supply, and move on to macroeconomics, covering national income and inflation. A solid grasp of these fundamentals is crucial for success. To study effectively, establish a consistent study routine, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours daily. Regular practice of numerical problems is essential to solidify your theoretical understanding. Don't just memorize, apply the concepts. Additionally, use flowcharts and diagrams to visualize complex economic models, making them easier to comprehend and recall during exams. Make the most of your available resources. Thoroughly read NCERT textbooks, as they provide a comprehensive foundation for your curriculum. Solving previous year's question papers will familiarize you with the exam pattern and common question types. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or engage in online forums when you encounter challenging topics. To truly master economics, connect theoretical concepts to real-world examples. This enhances retention and understanding. Consistent revision of all chapters is paramount to strengthen your knowledge and recall. Consider forming study groups with peers to discuss concepts, clarify doubts, and collaboratively solve problems, fostering a deeper learning experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.